Good morning, folks. It's February 3rd, and we woke up to a little bit of white on this beautiful Wednesday. We got about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches of snow, but there was a bullseye down in the south where some people got a little bit more than this, like 2, 3, 4 inches of snow. But of course, everybody, as you probably were watching the news this morning, we're all probably going ahead and bringing us in 2 hours late. There, as you can see, we've got some real nice snow-covered trees. Now, this is not the only time we'll be seeing snow. I am keeping my eyes on another big one that could give us 6 to 12 inches of snow. I'm going to keep you posted on that. And this is looking like it's going to be a major nor'easter with this new one. My God, this is pretty. A little closer up here. This almost looks like freezing rain. Because unlike this, what freezing rain does is it can actually accumulate in sort of a glaze like this. So it can build up on this or on those. When you get too much of it, they'll snap and they'll fall to earth. And they'll fall to the ground. My God, this is pretty. Here's some more snow-covered trees. Let me just give you a little sample of this now. As you can see, it's enough to make a snowball. The snow's enough to make some pretty nice snowballs. And it wasn't really enough to give us a day off. Still, when I was watching it this morning when it came up, it was real pretty. And the roads out here, from what I've been told, they're excellent. Yeah, as you can hear there, the roads are a little bit slushy, and a little wet. But aside from that, they're pretty good. Like I said, the way it looks. It's perfect to make. It's perfect to make as many snowballs as you want. So stay tuned to my Facebook for all the latest updates on this second storm system, which will definitely be adding up to our 1.5 inches we have here. Bye.